876 Street.
Peter Zoom right here. This is the remnants of what happened in the second lap of the final event here at Jamwest, Caribbean Wheels on Fire. I've had a good weekend and this really capped it off, but had some issues this morning where the differential bracket broke, so we were out of 2 races and made it back to the last race. Coming from mid-pack, and a maneuver, the very clean Mazda out to New York, Cam's a team out to New York, really good guys, guy needs base, but well prepared Mazda, another Zoom and I got up on him hard going into the stadium complex, and he said he saw me in the mirrors and then he just saw me going across his mirrors, and then I was nowhere to be seen until the next lap, so I went in hard and to avoid him I braked up too hard and I touched the grass, and then that was it, no steering, and I was trying to take it off of the crash barrier, but unfortunately, as you can see, but it's basically just cosmetics. You know, I'm really glad about that, and not the chassis or the arms, so we can fix back and we'll be ready to run the second round, which is in Trinidad, end of June, and then we go on to Barbados in September, and then the grand finale is in Guyana in November, of which we will be back in Jamaica for the Independence in August, and then again back for Heroes in October. It will be my final event in Jamaica, 50 years, and I'm going to close the chapter. I was contemplating closing this evening after putting it in the tab area, but the guys have convinced me that we can wheel and come again. Zoom to the world, and we want to big up 876 Streets, the people to be with.
An 876 Street endorsed event.